ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this fireside chat on the transformative role of artificial intelligence in agribusiness and food technology. I'm your host for today's Fast Chat, Daphne Krause, and it's a pleasure to have you all join us. We have a distinguished speaker with us, CMO at Tatuk, Red Curry, who has authored the insightful article we're here to discuss, AI's role in the future of food safety. So let's jump right in. Welcome, Red, and thank you for taking the time for this discussion today.
Thank you, Daphne. I appreciate your time today as well. And it's a pleasure to be here to discuss this, what I think I really say it's fascinating because it is. It's super interesting. But the intersection of AI, which everyone's talking about, and agribusiness and food technology together.
Definitely. Red, before we explore these fascinating topics together, could you give our audience a brief overview of your article and key takeaways?
Absolutely. So in the article, I started to discuss the integration of artificial intelligence and really automation and where that's headed, and the revolutionizing of agribusiness and food technology sectors through that. We dive really into how AI is transforming food production efficiency, elevating food safety, things like quality assurance. We're promoting sustainability, even enhancing supply chain efficiency and meeting evolving consumer preferences, right? You see that happening with precision. Additionally, I start to explore the broader impact of AI on personalized nutrition, inventory management, sustainability practices, and much more within the food industry.
Thank you for that summary. It's evident that AI is playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of the food industry. Let's begin with our first question. In your article, you highlight how AI has transformed food production efficiency through precision agriculture. Can you elaborate on some specific examples of how AI is being applied in this context and the benefits it brings to farmers and consumers?
I like the way you say that. Farmers, consumers, right? Seed to plate, farm to table. Absolutely definite. Precision agriculture really uses AI driven data analysis, that's a mouthful, to optimize crop cultivation. For instance, AI algorithms really analyze factors like soil composition, weather data, and crop and health to provide farmers with real time recommendations for irrigation, fertilization, pest control, which is a huge issue right now with climate change, et cetera. This not only minimizes resource wastage. I'm not sure if I made up that word, but it also maximizes yields, making farming more sustainable and economically efficient.
Well, you can definitely tell how much really goes into precision agriculture, and it's clear how AI is revolutionizing different farming practices. In your article, you discuss the importance of AI in elevating food safety and quality assurance. Could you share some insights into how AI is enhancing food safety measures and what implications this has for consumers?
Absolutely. AI is playing a crucial role for monitoring and food safety. For instance, let's look at AI powered sensors, how they can detect contaminants in near real time during food processing, ensuring products are safe for consumption. Additionally, AI-driven data analysis can predict potential food safety risks, enabling proactive measures to prevent contamination. This not only extends shelf life, but also enhances consumer confidence in the safety of food products. I know we've seen in the news, we get that fearful moment at the 6 o'clock news when there's a recall on produce or on any form of food. If you think about it, it's a very scary moment for folks, and I think that AI is playing a crucial role in that detection.
So your article emphasizes the commitment of both agribusiness and food technology to sustainability. Could you elaborate on some innovative sustainability practices driven by AI and how these practices are contributing to a more eco-friendly food ecosystem?
Sure. AI is facilitating sustainability in various ways. So, optimizing energy efficient food processing, reducing food waste through predictive analytics, that's a big one. Developing sustainable packaging solutions, another huge one. These innovations not only reduce the environmental footprint of the food industry, but they also align with the global push for eco friendly practices. And you see a lot of that also being called for, which benefits both businesses and our planet.
So, in your article, you highlight the seamless efficiency of supply chains powered by AI. How is AI transforming the logistics and distribution processes in the food industry? And what impact does this have on consumers?
That's a really good question. AI-driven supply chain optimization really ensures the products flow seamlessly from production to the consumer's plate. As we talked about in the beginning, it minimizes losses during transportation, reduces food spoilage, and enhances product availability. Ultimately, consumers benefit from fresher products and reduced wastage, leading to a more efficient and sustainable food supply chain. I think that's going to be critical as we move into the future of how food is produced, shipped, delivered, right the way through even the value chain.
Efficiency and reduced waste are certainly key benefits. Now, your article discusses how AI is agile in meeting shifting consumer preferences. Can you provide some examples of how AI is enabling the food industry to respond rapidly to changing consumer demands? And what does this mean for the industry's competitiveness?
Oh, yeah, definitely. AI helps in analyzing market trends and consumer preferences in near real time, never real time, but near real time. For example, it enables quick adjustments to production lines to meet the surging demand for plant-based foods or innovative ingredients, which we see a lot coming now. This agility really ensures that businesses stay competitive by delivering products that align precisely with evolving consumer tastes. You can see that things like lactose intolerance, gluten-free diets, there's a lot of things changing in the way the world consumes, and I think that's having a massive impact too.
Red, thank you for shedding light on the adaptability of AI in the industry. Our discussion today has highlighted the incredible impact of AI on agribusiness and food technology. From precision agriculture to food safety, sustainability, supply chain efficiency, and consumer responsiveness, we've truly explored a new chapter in the world of food production and technology.
Indeed, definitely, Daphne. That's absolutely the future holds immense promise, and I think as we continue to harness the power of AI, collaborate and oversee to create a more sustainable, efficient, and secure food ecosystem, huge benefits for the world.
Well, again, thank you, Red, for sharing your insights with us today. It has been an enlightening conversation, and we all look forward to witnessing the continued evolution of AI in the food industry.
Thank you, Daphne. And it's always fun to chat with you. I look forward to these and thank you for hosting this. And thanks to our audience for joining. I mean, the future of food safety technology or the future of food technology is really exciting. As a cyber guy or a geospatial guy, I like to think of this as something new I'm even digging into. But I'm optimistic about the transformative possibilities that it holds. And I look forward to seeing what we build and design and develop for food in the future.
Well, it's always such a pleasure to chat with you, Red, and to discuss different innovations. As we conclude this fireside chat, it's evident that AI's role in agribusiness and food technology is not just a partnership, but a catalyst for positive change. It's shaping a future where food is not only safer, but also more sustainable and perfectly aligned with our ever evolving tastes and preferences. We stand on the cusp of a world where technology and innovation work together to nourish a growing global population. Thank you for being part of this enlightening discussion, and we look forward to witnessing the continued progress in the food industry.